We got a big project with this Tesla Model Y. We're actually gonna be wrapping the entire vehicle in Satin Guard. So the whole white that you see here is gonna be satin once we're done with it. Since Satin Guard doesn't wash out the color of the car, you'll still get to see all these metallic flakes in the actual original paint. So it's really cool. Now give me a sight that's like, oh, I've discovered the fountain of youth. You're about to face a big challenge. Really? That's your look?
That's the one.
That looks like you're scared.
Looks like I'm constipated?
You can already see the transformation going from the normal gloss paint to the satin, especially like right here where the light hits it. You can really see just how much more satin this is. Right, Destin? Another full Tesla Satin Guard project wrapped up. Satin Guard is definitely more subtle than black or any of the other colors, which makes it perfect for clients looking for something a little more classy and understated. Satin Guard has 3 finishes in the film itself. You have the satin effect in some angles, a matte effect, and a translucent effect too. Other matte or satin films don't have this, so they typically look flat and one-dimensional like paint primer. It does such a good job showing off all the body lines on the car, so it looks really sharp. We also tinted the windows with photo sync so it stays cool all year long, and we ended the project with a ceramic coating. It'll keep the film looking radiant by making it super hydrophobic so water just sheets off of it easily. Let me know what you guys think of this project. I love how the satin white looks on the Model Y. Really classy and sophisticated looking.